I found it super easy working with Plumbs. I was a little apprehensive. These sofas were my parents'. I am big on upcycling, recycling things. And then I chose the pink, and after I'd said yes to the pink, I was like, oh gosh, what's it gonna look like? And today when it came together and Alan put the final cushion onto the sofa, I looked at it and I thought, this was the perfect colour choice. I'm a big believer in second chances, in if you have something that's of good quality. I don't like waste. I don't like to see how easily we just go, well, actually, I want to change this whole room, let's just get rid of everything. So I like to work with what I've got. To be able to reach out to Plumbs and get these sofas covered in such great quality material with such a good job done, I feel really good inside my heart that I've actually kind of given them a new lease of life. The fact that, you know, I've got two doggies that can be quite dirty, but they love a snuggle on the sofa, so everything's washable. So that means that it's got an even longer life. So yeah, I'm really excited.